Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. Let's get another knot here. That's an original knot. This is going to be the Glorious Wreath knot. Glorious Wreath. Let's go ahead and get started. Left side is at the belt line as usual. Just going to come over here and I'm just going to do a mocha fold from Boris Mocha. You can do whatever fold you want, but I like this one, this fold for this knot. Let's just go up and over like this, and let's start the wreath right here like so. Come around, do a wreath like this right here. So then we're going to come over the top like this and just going to come down like this. Then we're going to do the same on this side right here. Then I'm going to do a wreath. And I'm going to go over that. What I just did, I'm just going to layer it simply like that. Then I'm going to do the same over here and have the Glorious Wreath. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change the name of this mid-video. I'm going to call this the Lovely Wreath because it looks like a heart. The Lovely Wreath. There we go. All right, so you're going to see the title of this video. When you click on it, it's the Lovely Wreath. There we go. So there you go, my friends. Own your own style. My friends, you're fearfully, wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.